Both are Chrome extensions for managing proxies, but why does one let you connect a proxy in under 2 seconds, while the other still has you endlessly copy-pasting credentials? Has Proxy Helper become outdated compared to the newer features available in IPFighter Proxy Manager? In today's video, IPFighter will do a detailed comparison between both extensions to see which one is the better fit for your everyday proxy workflow. First, let's quickly go over some basic information about these two extensions. Proxy Helper is an extension that supports changing and managing proxies, and it's quite familiar to many Chrome users today. Meanwhile, IPFighter Proxy Manager is a newer extension, developed with a strong focus on improving the overall experience of managing and switching proxies directly inside the Chrome browser. Since the main purpose of these extensions is still to change your IP directly inside the browser, let's now try setting up a proxy on both extensions to compare the workflow and real-world user experience. With Proxy Helper, after opening the extension, you'll first need to go into the Settings section to manually configure the proxy. To start, you can create a profile under the New section to make proxy management easier. Next, under the General tab, I'll enter the proxy host and port. For the protocol, I'll choose HTTP, since this is currently the most common protocol used when connecting proxies through Chrome. Then, if your proxy includes a username and password, you'll also need to open the Authentication section. Here, you'll manually enter the corresponding username and password credentials. Next, I'll switch over to setting up the proxy on IPFighter Proxy Manager. Simply click Add Proxy, then choose the correct input format for your proxy type. For example, since my proxy uses the format host, port, username, password, I'll select that option. After that, I just need to paste the entire proxy string directly into this box and click Add Proxy, and that's it. As you can see, the extension supports many common input formats such as host, port, username, password, host, port, username, password. The system automatically parses all the proxy information, so you don't have to manually fill in each field one by one. In addition, users can also add an expiration date or personal notes to make proxy management easier, especially when handling multiple IPs at the same time. After finishing the setup on both extensions, I'll enable the proxies to check whether the IP addresses have been changed successfully. And to quickly verify the IP quality and information after connecting the proxy, I'll visit IPFighter.com. As you can see, both extensions successfully changed the IP address. The system also displays detailed information such as the IP address, location, ISP, and proxy VPN detection results, making it easier for users to verify everything. Overall, when it comes to basic IP switching, both Proxy Helper and IPFighter Proxy Manager work reliably and perform well on Chrome. However, with IPFighter Proxy Manager, the setup process is noticeably faster and more streamlined thanks to its ability to automatically detect and parse proxy information directly from the pasted input string. Besides basic IP switching, both extensions also come with additional features to support users in different proxy workflows. With Proxy Helper, the extension supports HTTP, SOCKS, and multiple proxy modes, allowing users to configure routing more flexibly. It also supports pack configuration, which lets users apply proxies based on specific URLs, using either a pack URL or a pack script. In addition, Proxy Helper includes a rules section with whitelist and blacklist options, allowing users to bypass certain domains or specify which domains should go through the proxy. Meanwhile, IPFighter Proxy Manager supports multiple popular proxy input formats to make the setup process faster and more convenient for everyday use. As for protocols like SOCKS, Chrome currently has limitations when it comes to supporting user password authentication APIs. Because of that, IPFighter Proxy Manager mainly focuses on optimizing HTTP proxy support to ensure a more stable setup and usage experience on Chrome. The extension also includes a dedicated Proxy Manager section, allowing users to centrally manage proxies, monitor connection status, track expiration dates, and review previously added notes. Specifically, IPFighter Proxy Manager also features smart rules for bypassing domains, as well as an advanced protection feature that helps prevent WebRTC leaks, fake time zones, fake languages, or fake locations to better synchronize browser information with the proxy. Additionally, for those who prefer light or dark themes, IPFighter Proxy Manager supports switching interfaces according to individual needs and usage habits. Overall, both Proxy Helper and IPFighter Proxy Manager are reliable proxy management extensions for Chrome, and each tool has its own strengths depending on different user needs. However, if you prioritize faster setup, a more intuitive interface, and a smoother day-to-day proxy management experience, then IPFighter Proxy Manager is definitely the more worthwhile option to try. In addition, with the goal of improving the overall experience for the community, IPFighter is always open to collaborating with partners to bring users the best possible proxy options. If you're a proxy provider looking to partner with us and introduce your products or services to a wider audience, feel free to contact IPFighter through the following channels: Telegram at @IPFighter_partnership or email support@IPFighter.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the IPFighter YouTube channel so you won't miss upcoming review and tutorial videos. See you in the next videos.